Back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, as you can see, we're going to make some chicken kebabs. We've got cilantro or coriander, some nice chili, lots of lemon. They're absolutely wonderful. You can do these on the barbecue. What we're going to do today is do them indoors on the cooker. Let's get started with this then. The ingredients we're going to use for the marination for these chicken kebabs: cilantro or coriander, salt and pepper, garam masala, chili powder, oil. I'm using just a straight sunflower oil, lemon juice, fresh chilies, garlic ginger paste. You can play around with these amounts as much or as little as you like. What we're going to do is get that in a blender, get it all together. Okay, so into my blender, it's going to whiz that up for like 2 minutes. Okay, and there we go. We've got that lovely little marination. Really simply, we're going to get some chicken breast, no skin, no bone. We're going to cut that into nice kind of cubes, get that all in there. It's going to be really wonderful. Okay, so this could not be easier. We've got our chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Cut that into kind of, you know, that sort of size, kebabby size. I mean, cut it smaller or bigger if you want. We've got our marination there, which is beautiful. Simply, we're going to get one more bowl, mix the two together. Okay, mixing bowl, chicken's in. We're now going to add in our fantastic cilantro or coriander marination. We're going to give this a nice little mix. Now, if you leave this overnight, lots of magic happens. Get a bit of sort of shrink wrap or cling film on that in the fridge overnight. It's going to be really good. You do want to leave it for at least, I would say, 1 hour. I'll see you then. Okay, here we go then. So I did leave mine overnight. It does make a bit of a difference, to be honest. And as you can see, I've put them onto some skewers. Now, I'm using bamboo skewers. You could be using metal ones if you want, no problem. If you use bamboo ones, it's advisable to soak them in water, because otherwise they catch on fire. So if you soak them in water for a couple of hours, they're nice and moist, they don't catch on fire. As you can see, I've gone for onion, chicken, tomato, like that. Now, you can do these on a barbecue, or you can do them like we're going to do on a stovetop. Let's go over to the cooker. So as you can see, I've got a nice flat surface, a nice flat iron. A flat frying pan or something like that will work just as well. What we're going to do is we're going to just drop these on, and you want to cook them on a kind of medium heat. Don't go too crazy, because we want obviously the chicken to cook. They're probably going to take about 5 to 6 minutes, and we're going to be flipping them and turning them, about 4 or 5 times. So not crazy heat, keep it kind of nice and just in the middle there, like I say, not too low, not too hot, medium heat. They're going to be absolutely wonderful. Flip them around. Okay, so these are done. Fantastic. Now, if you're cooking on gas, what you can do, what I like to do, is just on the naked flame, just give it a little minute or so, moving it around, gives it a nice kind of flavour. And that's it. Really simple, super tasty. Like I say, you can do them on a barbecue outdoors if you want. We just done that on the cooker. They come out fantastically well. You can enjoy those with some lovely salad. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.